Hello guys, it's me Chandan, and today, as I said, we'll create a code or we'll create a code on Python so that we can create some awesome pictures. So first what we are going to create is a square spiral. So if you don't know what a square spiral is, let me run it. This over here. And now with just a bit of code we can create some awesome shapes. Wow. So to create that, first open a new file in Python. So first type this hashtag square spiral 1.py. Okay. And then next line, import turtle. So import turtle means the turtle, the thing or the big triangle thing which you saw, that's called as a turtle. Okay, so we are importing turtle. Import turtle means we are importing turtle from the turtle library. So type that code, enter, and type that code. So let's come to the next line. T space is equals to space turtle dot pen. So we didn't say that the turtle should draw something. So for that we type a code that is T is equals to turtle dot pen. So type that code. Now colors is equals to yellow. So type some colors if you know. So you can use any color you want, your favorite, anything you want. I'll just demonstrate with the yellow because it looks bright to me. And now, and one more thing is, you can see these words in different colors, right? So when you're typing the code, the colors automatically get inserted. So if you think here hashtag is in red and this all here orange and here yellow. So this coloration is called as syntax coloration in Python. So now let's go to the next line. T dot pen color. So now we didn't instruct the turtle pen to use a specific color. So we are writing yellow in a variable called as colors. So now variables is a word or a group of letters which can vary according to the code. So now example, we wrote yellow in the variable colors. So now we are typing T dot pen color in the brackets colors. Okay, so now type the code. And now as usual, some sentences don't use real colors because you're not writing anything, and these colors automatically come because it is already inserted in Python due to syntax coloration. So now turtle dot background. So we don't want our project to be dumb with the boring colors, right? So to make it more innovative and interactive, we should use a background color. If you don't want, you can just delete it. You can just now turtle dot background bg color black. You can choose any color you want. So now type that code, enter, and there you go. Now we don't want our turtle to be slow, right? We want it to be fast. So we type t dot speed in brackets 0. Type that code. And now this is the main part over here. So for x in range 200 and these dots, that means for x in range. So now where is the variable in this sentence or in this code? The variable is x. So now we want x to be in range of 200, or we want our turtle to draw 200 spirals. So now, as you can see, this is in a purple. Now if you click enter, so first type that code. Now when you click enter, it suddenly comes just next below to X, right? And it doesn't start from here. That's because we are typing this sentence with these two following with this. Means these two sentences are joined with the first one. So even if it goes here, maybe you made some mistake. So just go and click here. T dot forward. Type the code T dot forward. So I'll explain that part. See, look here closely. When we click enter, it goes here. So type the code. And now T dot forward 2 multiplied by X. So this star mark here, which you can see, that's multiplication symbol in Python. And this X, the variable here, that means 200. Type it. Let's go to the next line now. T dot left. So now we want our turtle to move left. How many degrees? 100 degrees. So type that code. And again, if you press enter here, it goes here also. So now type the code. There you go. So now close it. Now let me explain all one by one. Square spiral.py, and this red thing here, the computer doesn't need it. If you type with the hashtag mark anywhere, that is only useful for us, like remembering what we are doing. And now import turtle. We are importing the turtle from the turtle library. Now T is equals to turtle.pen. Now we want this turtle to draw something. So color is yellow, T.pen color in the variable color, and then turtle background, we want it to be black, background color of course black. Now T.speed to make the turtle go faster, and for X in range 200, we want our turtle to draw 200 times the spirals. So now T dot forward 2 multiplied by X. The star mark here is a multiplication sign in Python, and T dot left 100. We want our turtle to go left side. How many degrees you say? 100 degrees. So now save it as your homework or anything. I'll just type it my homework. And now don't leave any space. Okay, I already did this file, so I'll use another word. 1 minute. My homework dot, without any space, write dot py, and here p.py means for Python, and whenever you want to open it, you can open it easily. So click on save and then click run module. Wait for it to load, and there you go. Wow, just look at it. Spirals here, so many spirals with some pointing things, and again it looks like a circle from the middle and some diamond shaped things. So hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.